In this lesson, we'll talk about Azure AI Search, a powerful enterprise-ready information retrieval system designed for high-performance applications at any scale. It was previously known as Azure Cognitive Search. This service enables organizations to ingest, organize, and search through diverse content efficiently. Whether you're working with structured or unstructured data, Azure AI Search provides the tool needed to enhance search accuracy and relevance. Azure AI Search is more than just a search engine. It's fully integrated AI powered retrieval system that supports full text and vector search for indexing and querying content, content transformation using AI for text chunking, vectorization, and enrichment, advanced query capability, including an autocomplete, fuzzy search, geo search, and hybrid queries, and finally, relevance tuning with semantic ranking and scoring models for optimized search result. It, it is the recommended retrieval system for building retrieval augmented generation RAG applications on Azure, seamlessly integrating with Azure OpenAI Service and Azure Machine Learning to enhance search based AI solutions. When you create a search service, you work with two primary workloads. First one is indexing. This is the process of loading content into search index to make it searchable. Documents are ingested into Azure AI as a JSON and structured into inverted indexes for text searches and vector indexes for similarity searches. Applied AI skills, which can extract information from images, analyze text, infer document structure, and even translate content. And then data chunking and vectorization, which prepares content for Gen AI applications, improving how AI retrieves relevant information. And secondly, querying. Once data is indexed, client applications can submit queries to the search service. Queries can be a full text, vector based, or hybrid for both, ensuring the most relevant results. Semantic ranking enhances search results by understanding the intent behind the query. Integrated vectorization allows us for similarity based search, ideal for AI driven applications. So, why use Azure AI Search? Azure AI Search is ideal for traditional search, which enhances user experience with fast, accurate search capabilities. AI powered search, on the other hand, combines text and vector based queries for advanced Gen AI and RAG. Content unification. Consolidate diverse datasets into a single searchable index while maintaining control over access. And then scalability and security, where you can benefit from Azure built in security and compliance for global search. And finally, AI driven enrichment, which transforms raw documents, images, and application files into searchable data using AI powered indexing. With Azure AI Search, organizations can build intelligent, scalable search solutions that drive efficiency and improve user experience. Whether you're holding a catalog search, knowledge discovery systems, or an AI powered chatbot, Azure AI Search provides the tools you need for accurate and relevant results.